Alright guys, I kind of just wanted to show you what I like to do on weekends when I get the chances. Take my recording equipment and my new software and make some cool stuff. So I got a Bossa Nova thing going on for this weekend. So I'm just going to show you guys that. Okay, so I like that. So I like that voice sample there. Let's see if I solo this. I've been waiting. Oh yeah, so I'm gonna grab a small clip of there. So I'm gonna drag this audio clip into an instrument that does something really neat. So I'm gonna chop this up to only grab a small portion of this audio clip, and it's gonna play on this pad. Corner. So I'm just going to grab this little chord part right there, and then I've got it on the keyboard. Alright, I like that. Let's roll it back.